Is it time to buy or sell Pinterest stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Pinterest. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 3rd of June 2025, our system has identified Pinterest as a strong buy candidate, resulting in a score of 6.39. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhere to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 18.23% since we initially recommended Pinterest as a buy candidate 46 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.4% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a robust short-term rising trend, indicating the likelihood of further increases within this trend. The recent 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 25.5% over the upcoming 3 months, with estimated returns ranging from 20.86% to 30.8%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 9.98%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 28.81% and positive 17.62% over the next year. In current terms, this would imply a future price between $27.88 and $46.07. Our latest daily update for Pinterest includes the headline, Pinterest Inc. stock price ended at $39.17 on Thursday after gaining 0.179%. The Pinterest Inc. stock price gained 0.179% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, rising from $39.10 to $39.17. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.37%, with a day low at $38.53 and a day high of $39.83. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.98% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 15 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 25 million shares bought and sold for approximately $973,320,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $40.90, and the lowest price was $23.68. Currently, the price is 4.23%, or $1.73, below the 52-week high, and 56.43%, or $50.73, below the all-time high on the 16th of February, 2021, when the price reached $89.90. Pinterest stock has experienced a notable decline, dropping by 10% after its second quarter earnings report, which indicated that the company fell short of earnings expectations. The earnings per share stood at 33 cents, which was below the anticipated 34 cents, although this represents an increase from 29 cents year over year. This shortfall may cause investor confidence to waver in the near term. Nevertheless, Pinterest reported a robust 17% growth in sales year over year, with net income reaching $38.76 million, a significant improvement from $8.9 million last year. The contrast between strong sales growth and disappointing earnings suggests that while revenue drivers, particularly from artificial intelligence-powered advertising tools, are performing well, profit margins may not be keeping pace, raising concerns among investors. In the long run, Pinterest's dedication to utilizing artificial intelligence in its advertising strategy could strengthen its competitive position. As marketing expenditures on its platform rise, sustained revenue growth may ultimately lead to enhanced profitability. However, the immediate market response may exert pressure on the stock, as analysts assess whether Pinterest can consistently manage costs while investing in innovation. The short-term outlook appears bearish, but if the company successfully harnesses advancements in artificial intelligence, there could be opportunities for recovery and long-term increases in stock value. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, it was reported that Guggenheim assigned PINS a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, Citigroup also assigned PINS a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, Wolfe Research rated PINS as outperform with an upgrade action. On Friday, the 25th of April, 2025, Citigroup rated PINS as positive and also took an upgrade action. On Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, Wedbush rated PINS as outperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Pinterest stock a general buy rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while the price-to-book ratio receives a sell evaluation. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Pinterest. The chart displays mostly positive signals today. Pinterest Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of price corrections, support is expected at levels of $38.70 and $36.73. A decline below any of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 23rd of May, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 26.76%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical signal. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 52 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 62 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 68 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 48 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 44 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Pinterest. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $35.74 and $32.93. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this case, Pinterest Inc. finds support just below today's level at $35.74. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $32.93 and $32.84. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and, with decent trading volume, the risk is assessed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.30 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 3.37%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.54%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Pinterest, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate that there are low expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, which could present a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 34 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Pinterest. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Pinterest encounters its first support level at $35.74. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Pinterest from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Benjamin Silberman, who bought and sold 222,916 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 12.541. Overall, insiders acquired 2,450,170 shares and sold 3,060,648 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $37.75, reflecting a decrease of 3.62%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 51 days ago. Is Pinterest stock a good buy? Pinterest encodes several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it is a favorable choice at these current levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 8th of August, we expect Pinterest to open higher by a fraction of a cent and begin trading at $39.18. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.